Welcome to JavaScript in 100 seconds, a rapid introduction to the language that powers the web. JavaScript is a versatile and dynamic programming language that brings life to websites and enables interactivity. With just a few lines of code, you can manipulate web elements, handle user interactions, and create responsive designs. As one of the core technologies of web development, JavaScript is essential for building modern, feature-rich websites and web applications. It works seamlessly with HTML and CSS, forming the foundation of the interactive web experience we know and love today. From form validations to animations, from interactive maps to dynamic content loading, JavaScript empowers developers to turn ideas into reality. But JavaScript isn't limited to just the front end. It's also used on the server side with frameworks like Node.js. JavaScript's versatility extends to mobile app development too, with frameworks like React Native and Ionic. As you delve deeper into JavaScript, you'll discover powerful libraries and frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js. Remember, JavaScript is not Java. It's a unique scripting language that operates entirely within the browser. Embrace the world of JavaScript, and you'll uncover endless possibilities in web and app development. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned developer, JavaScript remains an essential tool in your programming toolkit. So join the ranks of developers worldwide and embark on your journey with JavaScript. And this was JavaScript in 100 seconds.